Lacebugs are sucking pests that feed on the undersides of the leaves of trees and shrubs. Prolonged feeding activity will result in leaves falling prematurely and stunted growth, which may be factors in the decline of a plant's health. In this video, we'll go over how to identify lacebugs, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are several species of lacebug found throughout the United States. Generally, mature lacebugs grow to be 1/8 to 1/3 of an inch in length. The thorax and wings of a single lacebug feature transparent cells that give it a lace-like look. A lacebug nymph is wingless with a flat, round body. Their bodies are darker in color and they have protruding spines. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Adult lacebugs will overwinter in bark and other crevices, then they'll emerge in spring. Lacebugs will produce multiple generations per season. Keep in mind, some species may target specific plants, trees, and shrubs. Be on the lookout for mature lacebugs and nymphs on leaves. As these pests feed, they will excrete dark drops of liquid that dot the plant's surface. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. Before chemical treatment, apply low to medium water pressure to your foliage to wash off any eggs or disturb breeding activity. Spray no more than once a week with an inch of irrigation to avoid overwatering any plants. To treat lacebugs on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that's labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To reach higher tree canopies, we recommend you apply this product with a Solutions electric backpack sprayer. Apply the product's labeled rate of 0.125 to 0.25 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Aim for complete coverage of the tree's foliage. Next, spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Pests that make contact with the solution or treated areas will have their nervous systems impacted and die after several hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated pests from your property, maintain the health of trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to pest activity and are more likely to recover from pest damage or disease. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harbiges. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home. Finally, keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so one application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against lacebugs and over 70 other pests. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop lacebugs from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.